Are you someone who values a lightweight, sleek smartphone? If yes, then the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge might be exactly what you're looking for. This upcoming model, which Samsung revealed alongside the Galaxy S25 series, is already making waves due to its impressive design and potential. While the company hasn't disclosed all the specifics yet, early leaks are offering us a glimpse into what this phone could be like, and it could turn out to be one of the thinnest and lightest flagship smartphones available. If you like your phone slim, comfortable to hold, and easy to carry, the Galaxy S25 Edge seems to be made just for you. One of the most impressive aspects of the Galaxy S25 Edge is its thickness. Reports suggest it is only 5.84 millimeters thick, which is incredibly slim for a smartphone, especially when compared to other devices in the same category. Not only is it thin, but it is also incredibly lightweight. While Samsung has not officially confirmed the exact weight, reliable sources indicate it could be lighter than the standard Galaxy S25, which weighs 162 grams. This means the Galaxy S25 Edge, with its larger 6.7-inch display, might weigh less than a device with a smaller 6.2-inch screen. This is a remarkable achievement in smartphone design, showcasing how much Samsung is focusing on both aesthetics and functionality. Despite its lightweight build, the Galaxy S25 Edge doesn't skimp on features. The phone is expected to sport a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a peak brightness of up to 2600 nits. This means you'll get vibrant colors and excellent clarity, even when using the phone under bright sunlight. Samsung has also incorporated an ultrasonic fingerprint reader under the display, ensuring fast and secure unlocking. The screen is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which adds durability to prevent scratches and damage from accidental drops. When it comes to the phone's design, it looks like Samsung has opted for a high-strength armor aluminum frame. This material choice allows the phone to stay sturdy while keeping the overall weight light. Additionally, the Galaxy S25 Edge is rumored to come with an IP68 rating, meaning it is dustproof and water-resistant. This makes it a solid choice for users who want a phone that can withstand unexpected splashes or even some light rain. The camera system on the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to be a standout feature as well. A 200-megapixel main camera will likely capture stunning, detailed shots, allowing you to zoom in on your photos without losing any clarity. Along with this, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera will help you capture breathtaking landscapes and group shots. For selfies, there will be a 12-megapixel front-facing camera, perfect for clear video calls or snapping sharp self-portraits. Alongside these advanced features, the Galaxy S25 Edge will also likely include premium audio components such as stereo speakers, which will enhance your music and video experiences. Additionally, the phone will support Bluetooth 5.4 and Wi-Fi 7, enabling faster and more reliable wireless connections. For charging and transferring data, the device will use a USB 3.2 Type-C port, ensuring a quick and efficient experience. Now let's talk about the battery. The Galaxy S25 Edge is rumored to have a 3,900 mAh battery. While this isn't the largest battery out there, Samsung has focused on optimizing power efficiency, ensuring that the phone lasts throughout the day. On top of that, it will support 25-watt fast charging, allowing you to quickly recharge the battery when needed, so you don't have to worry about running low on power. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates on the latest tech.